If you don't know me, your TV ain't been on. It's too many to count.
Which
So it's like when you get a hot air balloon stuck in a, you know, somewhere. You get a hot air balloon stuck somewhere.
I heard you train. One of the facts. I have a list of over 40 facts about yourself, Gary. And one is you are trained in martial arts, right? Like,
That's not really true. That's not true.
Give me a serious.
see me, and again, you don't have to look at me. You could just listen to the audio if you want.
Oh.
You don't have to
have form and formless.
You gotta. I've never been told I have a cute nose.
This is I've been doing this for 30.
some of those words I get. Let me ask you this, because I know you're.
I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster.
I can tell you, I don't know either. But listen, listen, you're also a psychic, right? You're a psychic. Tell me to what degree.
What'd you call me?
No, I'm trying to explain to you exactly what a byproduct is.
I don't have time for explanations.
What is that monkey knuckles?
You're the one who wants that.
Like
Like
cathartic.
the Logan's Run future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody's supposed to be wearing tinfoil.
But are we headed towards that? Are we headed towards tinfoil? What is it? Tinfoil?
I'm fine with tinfoil. Listen, let me explain something. I love tinfoil because if nothing else, you can look fine in it, and you can also take some leftovers in it.
Things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you a
He ever wants to own up? I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You are, you know what you are? You remind me of the future, when the future was in its state of like futuristic, like just theory, like ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody's supposed to be wearing tinfoil.
You are, you know what you are? You remind me of the future, when the future was in its state of like futuristic, like just theory, like ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody's supposed to be wearing tinfoil.
About is the burrito supreme. Have you had the burrito supreme at Taco Bell?
So here we go. I actually am a bean burrito. That's it. I do that at Taco Bell. And I do it pretty often. I've done it after I've been.
And what I've observed is no two atypicals. Even if you look at it from a a parapsychological approach or psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same.
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay, here's my first question, and this is a question I also got off the internet, so I thought it was a good one. How many women have you got pregnant?
Knuckle or something, and then
Right.
they grind it up real good, and they put it in your whatever taco meat or something.
Okay.
And it goes back and forth. It's replicated. It's in your spine.
So many things that you know, I don't know, and other people don't know. So
I'm not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think that's the realization.